Chapter 6: Happy and Healthy Living. We can make ourselves happy through various activities. Being happy is an important part of staying healthy. We all feel happy at different times and for different reasons. We feel joyful when we spend time with our family, eat our favorite food, play games with our friends, celebrate festivals and special moments with our family and friends. Ingredients in our food. Most food items are made by combining different ingredients. Ingredients are the things we use to prepare food. Each ingredient adds its own flavor, smell, and texture to the dish.
For example, dhokla is made from gram flour, besan, curd, and water.
Poha is often made using flattened rice, poha, tomatoes, green chilies, peanuts, and peas. Food becomes delicious when we carefully choose and mix the right ingredients. Some of the examples are given below. Dal fry, dal, lentils, chana chaat, black chana, chickpea, sweet potato salad, sweet potato, pulao, pea, rice, idli, rice, urad dal, rajma curry, rajma, kidney beans, chapati, wheat grains, upma, suji, semolina, mustard seeds, from farm to plate. Food is a significant part of our lives. Have you ever wondered how the food we eat reaches our plates? The journey of a grain like rice, wheat, and pulses, which are used to make our everyday meals, travel from the farm to our homes. This journey is long and full of hard work. Many people, like farmers and sellers, along with animals and natural elements such as water, soil, and sunlight, all work together to make it possible. Let us learn about this journey step by step. The farmer sows the seeds in the soil. Sunlight and water help in growing of seeds into saplings. Rain also helps seeds to grow. Fertilizers and manure, like cow dung, are added to enrich the soil. Earthworms help improve the soil by making it soft and full of air. The farmer looks after the growing crops and uses a scarecrow to protect them from birds and animals. The farmer removes unwanted plants, weeds, from the field to ensure healthy crop growth. Once the crops are mature, the farmer harvests them by cutting and gathering. The harvested grains are stored safely in sacks. The grains are taken to market or shop to be sold. The grains are cleaned, processed, and used to prepare food. Finally, the food is cooked and enjoyed by families. Fun fact: both rice and wheat are staple foods in India. They have been grown by farmers for over 10,000 years. Important elements of a food journey. The important elements that help in the journey of grains are: soil, gives a place for the seed to grow and provides nutrients. Water, helps the seed to grow into a healthy plant. Sunlight, helps plants to make their food. Air, helps seeds to grow. Farmer, takes care of the crop from planting to harvesting. Cattle, provides manure like cow dung to make the soil healthy and also help the farmer plow the field. Earthworms, make the soil better and help keep it healthy. Shopkeeper, sells the grains or food items in the market so that we can buy them. Family members, buy the food, cook it, and serve it with love. We should thank the people, animals, and natural elements that work together to make this journey possible. When we understand their efforts, we learn to respect food and not waste it. More to know. In India, People celebrate different cultural practices and festivals to show gratitude to Mother Nature for the food we eat. These include Makar Sankranti, Akshay Tritiya, Lohri, Raja Utsav, Onam, and other festivals. Mindful eating. Mindful eating means paying full attention to what we eat and how we feel while eating it. When we eat without distractions like TV or mobile phones, we can focus on the food and enjoy its taste. Mindful eating also helps us notice when we are full, so we do not overeat. We should take small bites of food and eat slowly. When we chew our food gently with our teeth, we can feel its surface, texture, and flavor with the help of tongue. We can also use our nose and other senses to enjoy the taste even more. In this way, we can make healthier choices and be thankful for the food we get. What happens to the food in our mouth? When we eat food, first our teeth chew it and break it into smaller pieces. This makes it easier to digest. Next, the tongue moves the food around the mouth and helps us taste it using taste buds. At the same time, the food mixes with saliva, which helps to start the digestion process. Finally, the tongue pushes the food to the back of the mouth so that it can be swallowed and move down to the stomach. Valuing every grain. Every grain of food comes from the hard work of many people. We should never waste food. Wasting food not only disrespects their efforts but also wastes precious natural resources like water and soil. It is important to take only as much food as we can eat and finish all that is served on our plate. If someone offers us more food than we need, we should politely say no to avoid wasting it. By valuing every grain, we show our gratitude and help reduce food waste. Playing games and sports. Playing games is a fun and effective way to keep both our body and mind active. Physical activities like running, hopping, cycling, or jumping during outdoor games help us build strength and stay fit. These games also teach us teamwork and the importance of staying active. Some fun outdoor games are Duck Duck Goose, Handkerchief Thief Game, Kho-Kho, football, volleyball, badminton, etc.
Some traditional Indian games that are played outdoors are Gilli Danda, Pittu, Poshampa, Kancha, marbles, Stapu, hopscotch, and Kabaddi.
Yoga. Physical activities like yoga not only improves our posture but also makes us feel happy. It keeps our mind calm and active throughout the day. Different yoga poses such as Vajrasana, Thunderbolt pose, Bhadrasana, Butterfly pose, Balasana, Child's pose, Vrikshasana, Tree pose, Padmasana, Lotus pose, Seesaw yoga pose help us stay healthy, relaxed, and full of energy. Importance of good sleep. Our body needs enough sleep every day to stay healthy. When we do not get sufficient sleep, we may feel tired, sleepy, upset, or unable to focus on work or play. Good sleep is as important for good health as diet and exercise because it improves our brain performance. It helps in growth and staying healthy. It takes away our tiredness. It makes us feel happy and fresh. Sleep also helps our body heal and gives us energy. We feel fresh and active after proper rest. Importance of feeling safe. Feeling safe means being in a place where we feel protected, cared for, and not scared. But sometimes we might feel unsafe or uncomfortable. It is important to know what to do and who we can talk to during those times. We should also understand the difference between good touch and bad touch. Good touch. A good touch makes us feel happy, safe, and comfortable. For example, a hug from our parents, a pat on the back from a teacher, Bad touch. A bad touch makes us feel uncomfortable, confused, or scared. It may be from someone we know or a stranger. If someone touches you in a way that makes you feel bad, say no, move away, and tell a trusted adult like a parent, teacher, or school counselor. You do not need to feel uncomfortable or guilty. To live a healthy and happy life, we must eat the right food, stay active through physical activities, and get enough rest. When we do all these things, we stay strong, healthy, and cheerful. Key terms. Ingredients. The things that are used for preparing something. Seller. A person who sells things like food or clothes. Cultural practices. Shared values, beliefs, and traditions of a region. Gratitude. A feeling of being thankful or grateful. Mindful eating. Paying full attention and noticing how we feel while eating. Physical activities. Movements that keep the body active. Exercise. Physical activity that keeps us healthy and strong. Diet. The food we eat every day to stay healthy and strong. Stranger. A person who is unknown. Adult. A person who is grown up. Guilty. Feeling bad for doing something wrong.